Only when I find a wire that I need for my switch, I normally take it, loop it. That way I don't forget the, uh, the wire. Bonita de la Cruz. What do you have to do to start a YouTube channel? Just create a channel. Create a channel, and that's simply it. Man. You also have to follow the YouTube instructions also, Benite. Yes, so you also have to follow the YouTube instructions on how to create a channel. Uh, you just simply log on and do your thing. Man. So obviously this, like I said, this here is live. I am allowed to work live. It's 120 volts. The rule states that anything less than 120 volts I can work live on. It's not really endangering anyone's around me, so I am allowed to perform live work. Just has to be 120 volts or less, unless they change the code rule, um, which I don't think. So, like I said, this is live, so I'm just taking the normal precautions to work on live circuits. So again, for all who missed when I started the live, um, this is simply this is the type of pot light I'm using, and as you can see, it's 6000K. Um, they range from 3000 all the way up to 6000. This is the brightest of them all. Also, it is dimmable, so it's got all the information that's needed on the box itself. And it's also good to remember that when installing pot lights, there is a name CSA stamp that the inspector will be looking for at the end of the job. So this is simply the information that they're going to be looking for. So just keep in mind that when you are performing a project, um, that all of these things you have to comply with the code rules. So it is a code rule. Again, it was put in place for certain reasons, um, which the reasons are um, a lot of people tend to buy stuff from China and other places, and when these products are imported, they don't have the proper sticker that the inspector will be looking for. Um, a lot of times, the job ends up getting a fail at the end of the project. So it's things to try to avoid when it comes to working with the electrical. And so, as I say, a lot of people are not aware of that, and it's, it's very important to know these things and practice them. Just don't go buy out any and every light. Just try to remember there is a CSA sticker on it. Um, so all the marking is basically on the information. All the information is basically on the lighting. Even here, as you can see, there's information here for you. And